How to play two videos at once on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the CapCut application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on the New Project button to begin. You will be taken to your phone's media library. Select the video clips and tap on Add. The videos will appear in the timeline. Tap on the second clip in the timeline. In the bottom toolbar, find and tap Overlay. This moves the second video to a new layer. Press and hold the overlay clip. Drag the clip left to align it with the start of the first video. In the preview window, tap on the overlay video. Use two fingers to pinch and resize the video. Drag the resized video to the side for a split-screen view. Now, tap on play to see both videos to play at the same time. When you are done, tap on Export in the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily play two videos at once on an iPhone.